The question comes that who should do this course? We have been provided subjective knowledge in BTech or diploma, but the industrial requirement is more than the knowledge, the subjective knowledge that we have gained. Of course, it was useful, but we need to know more because there is so much of competition that if your CV holds that particular knowledge, then you have better chances of joining a better firm in this field at a better level and grow further. So, this field is basically for mechanical engineering students or those who are working in the field of HVAC and want to upgrade their knowledge. The person can be mechanical engineering, BTech, diploma, or ITI. But recently it has been seen that the students of other faculties also learn HVAC and develop as MEP engineer. MEP engineer we will discuss later, but MEP is full form of mechanical, electrical, plumbing and firefighting. So even civil engineers, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer or engineer of any discipline can enter this field. But basically if I say it is the field of mechanical engineers. The companies that are parent companies in this field are like Carrier, Voltas, Blue Star, Hitachi, Toshiba, Godrej, Train, Daikin, many other companies. These are the parent companies. But there are contractors, contractual companies who work for the installation part, the contracting part. So there are jobs in parent companies, there are jobs in contracting companies, there are jobs as consultant for design engineer, for site engineer, for estimation engineer, for quality engineer, for coordinator. For civil contracting companies, they hire MEP or HVAC coordinators. So there are so many opportunities, so many jobs all over the world, I would say, in this field. Because in many countries like Gulf,